Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your exchange program with AFS USA detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your exchange program with AFS USA, start by visiting the AFS USA website. Look for the Programs tab at the top of the page and click on it. Select Exchange Programs from the drop-down menu to view your options. Choose the program that best suits your needs, such as high school or gap year exchanges. Click on Apply Now to begin the application process. Create an account by filling in your personal details, including your name and email address. Once your account is created, log in to access the application form. Carefully complete the application form, providing all required information. Be prepared to submit additional documents, such as transcripts or references. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Submit your application and confirm your submission via email. After submitting, monitor your email for updates regarding your application status. If accepted, follow any additional instructions provided in the email. Complete the pre-departure orientation, which may be held online or in person. Finalize any necessary travel arrangements as outlined in the acceptance information. Pay any required fees according to the instructions provided. Connect with your local AFS chapter for support and resources as you prepare for your exchange. Stay in touch with your AFS coordinator throughout the process to address any concerns. Enjoy your journey and the rich cultural experiences that come with your exchange program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.